Hey everyone, let's do a check-in. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. And close your eyes. You can place a hand or two over your heart center, or if you prefer, you can put your hands in Anjali Mudra, which is this prayer mode. And take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Just begin to relax your body, relax your muscles. Relax your organs. Relax your mind. And just with every breath, feel yourself relaxing even further. And just continue to breathe nice, long breaths. Make sure your inhale is long and your exhale. And just continue to relax your body and your mind, allowing those deep breaths to fill your body, to nourish your body. Now check in with your heart center, your spiritual heart, at the center of your chest. Ask your spiritual heart what it is that you need right now. And continue to breathe. Just relaxing into this question and into the answer. And listen to the heart center. If you feel an emotion rising up, just understand what it is, why it's there, but don't become wrapped up in that emotion. Just continue to breathe and melt into the heart center. Listening deeply, listening to what it is that you need to nurture yourself and nourish yourself. Sometimes we forget about ourselves because we are busy taking care of other details in our lives. We forget to stop for a minute to listen. To listen to our bodies, listen to our hearts. Now, you can stay here as long as you like. And just whenever you are ready, you can come out of this mini meditation. Thank you for being here. Namaste.